In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ctrader background. This is a quick customization that can make your charts easier to read and more comfortable for long sessions, whether you prefer a clean light look or a high contrast dark theme. I'll walk you through the process clearly, so you can follow along on either the desktop or web version of Ctrader. First, launch Ctrader Desktop or open Ctrader in your browser. Once the platform is up, make sure you're on the chart you actually want to customize. If you have multiple charts open, click the one you want so it's active. You'll know it's selected when the border or header highlights. This step is important because settings apply to the chart you're currently working with. Next, open chart settings. On many layouts, you'll see a small gear icon near the top of the chart. That's usually the quickest entry point. If you don't see it or prefer another route, you can also open the same options with a right click. Right-click anywhere directly on the chart's plotting area, not on the watch list or the time axis, to bring up the chart's context menu. This is where most visual adjustments live, keeping everything close to the chart itself. From the menu that appears, select Color Options. This is the section dedicated to visual styling, things like candles, lines, and of course, the background. If you're in a settings panel with tabs, color options may sit under a tab labeled Colors or Appearance. Now, look for the entry labeled Background. It's usually grouped with other chart elements, so take a second to scan the list if you don't see it right away. The background setting affects the canvas behind your price bars, grid lines, and indicators, so a good choice here improves clarity without overpowering other elements. Finally, choose one of the preset colors. As you click through, you should see an instant preview on your chart. Pick a color that provides enough contrast with your candles and indicators. For example, if you use bright colored candles, a darker background can make them stand out, while a light background can keep things airy and minimal. If you trade in different lighting conditions, a neutral mid-tone can be easier on the eyes. Remember that your choice applies to the chart you selected, so if you work with multiple charts, repeat the same process on others for consistent visuals. That's all you need to change the Ctrader background quickly and confidently. Enjoy your cleaner, more readable chart.